Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to get accident fixing permit or repair permit from Tamm. Okay, if we make accident or if our employees, our drivers, if anyone make accident and we have to take money from insurance, then we can repair the car from outside. Okay, for that we need this repairing permit. After that we have to submit it. It's in our insurance company, they will give the money. Okay, here I will show you. Just log in your company Tamm using your company username password. Okay, then this is our company home page. Here you have to select your company, which company. Okay, which company. Now I selected our company detail. This under this company truck only make accident. Okay, so I selected this company. Here there is, we have to select vehicle list, the left side, then create fixing permit. There is option. Here we have to give the plate registration. It's public transport or private transport. Okay, I'm giving a private transport. Then plate number I have to enter. Okay, so I'm entering the plate number. We have to, I entered. Then there is accident number. When we make accident, the Najim, he will give you the report. There we can get the accident number. Okay, now I have to enter that accident number. Which car make accident, that is vehicle plate number I already mentioned. This is the accident number from Najim. From Najim report we can get this accident number. Okay, after that I have to submit. If I select submit, see, it's already created. Your fixing permit successfully created. Okay, for our reference, I am just checking again, because if the fixing permit, it's we have to check it's valid or unvalid. So there is a time limit. So if you for your reference, maybe you people already you make fixing permit, then again if you are making now, it will show the, see, it will show how it will show here. We can get, I'm entering again. Okay, the details. This is accident number. See, someone, if there is a accident, if accident happen, we don't want to repair our truck in the insurance company, so we have to take the insurance money, so we can repair it outside. For that only it's must need, we have to submit this to insurance company, then only they will release the payment. Okay friends, see, I'm just searching. It's showing, see, fixing permit already exists and is active. It means it's valid and it's still active. So here, how to get that fixing permit, we already created. Here from through date, I just click the date from to, and I just select search. This is our fixing permit, this accident car fixing permit. Here I have to just go right side. Here, see, there is option I icon to get the detail. Okay, this one we have to print and we have to send it to our Kafil to get the money. Okay friends, please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will reply you. Okay friends, thank you so much.